Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with JBM. I apologize for the brief hiatus that we had last week. With our new baby coming, we've had to take some time out in order to get the house ready for another edition, but we're back now and ready to upload some more amazing recipes. Today I wanted to show you guys something very simple. I wanted to show that it was easy to put together a meal without having to do all of the intricate details, and you can make a family-friendly favorite to put on the plates for dinner or even lunch. So today, I'm going to show you how we do taco night in our house. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. First, you're going to roughly chop your cilantro. Then you're going to quarter your limes. In a large pan, heat a drizzle of olive oil. While that's happening, you're also going to want to heat up your refried beans. I usually just get the canned ones, it makes it much easier. Next, you're going to add your 1 pound of turkey meat, your taco seasoning, and 2/3 cup of water. Stir until thoroughly combined and let it cook until the sauce thickens. While the meat is cooking, in a small bowl, you're going to add your avocado, a squeeze of lime juice, and about 2 tablespoons of salsa. This is going to be your avocado mash. And it's as simple as that. When your beans are done cooking and your meat, I like to put the beans on the bottom of the taco shell. This helps keep the juices from making the bottom too soggy, and it also helps the cheese melt underneath the meat. I added my Mexican style cheese, my turkey meat, the avocado mash, then a little drizzle of sour cream, some salsa for that juicy, savory flavor, and garnish with your cilantro. And there you have it. The easiest taco night you could possibly have for your family. This is also a fun way to get your kids involved. They can make their own tacos in whatever style they want. Just lay out all of your ingredients on the counter and let them pick and choose what they want to fill their tacos with. We love taco night in our house. It makes for dinner in a pinch, and it keeps those bellies full for quite a long time. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I would love to hear how you guys do taco night in your homes. Let me know in the comment section down below. And of course, don't forget to leave that like and subscribe if you haven't already for more delicious recipes on Cooking with JBM. See you guys again soon!